So I bought two of these mounts, one for our bedroom and one for our living room. And it was really easy to put together. Leveling it and finding the studs was the hardest part. Other than that, everything else went really smoothly and hangs really nice. It does tilt. I'm not tall enough, but it does tilt.
It's very nice. Now see.
But just okay isn't okay. And I was done settling. If you still have symptoms.
Very good quality. As you can see, there's a 55-inch TV. I have it tilt forward, a lot of space, easy to install.
Hello, this TV mount, it's great. We've been using this brand for at least 2 years now. It's amazing.